video where I'll be telling you how best you can use WhatsApp Business in promoting your business. No matter the kind of business that you do, you use WhatsApp Business in boosting your business. It helps you to package all your customers in one piece, giving them in a professional way. The first thing that you want to do with if you don't have WhatsApp Business is for you to go to your Play Store on your phone and search for WhatsApp Business. And when you search your WhatsApp Business, all you have to do is for you to install. And when you must have done that, you just type WhatsApp Business on your search bar and then you install. Now, I already have WhatsApp Business on my phone, so I don't really need to install it anymore. So it's asking for an update. So after you must have done the installation, your phone number, just the same way the same process with the other WhatsApp, with the normal WhatsApp, then you get started. Then after that, you're going to have an interface like this. You're going to see the what. Now you have the WhatsApp Business on your phone. The first thing that you want to do, you want to configure your WhatsApp Business to suit what you want the customers to see your business for. The first thing that you want to do, you go to Business Tools. In the Business Tools, what do we have in the Business Tools? We have the Business Profile. The Business Profile has the detailed information about what your business entails. Like you have your profile picture, you have the name of your business, you have the time which you schedule to open for business daily. You have what's your business, what you render, the services you render, the location of your business. You have your contact email, your website, and lots more, and a short description about your business. So the first thing, now I already done that for my own business. It is advisable that your profile picture should have your logo. You understand? So you can actually get a logo using the Canva app on your mobile, or if you go with CorelDRAW, you can actually get that. But for easy access, for those people that don't have experience with Corel, the graphics design, you can actually use Canva, and then it's kind of simple app to use. Now, for the name of your business, you just type the name of your business, and then that's for that, and then you put your contact email where they can reach in your business, and also your services. Now, what you offer, that's what's going to be here. And then you also have your contact address for your business. Then there's one thing that most people don't know. After you must have done the contact address for the business, you can actually update. There's a map. You actually update on the map, and it shows you the exact location of your business for easy access. For example, the customer maybe you have a local address. You want the customers to come and visit you. That it's for that, so they can just with the Google map, they can actually trace. They can actually come to your business location at ease without asking much questions. Now we also have the services that you render, like what you do, like the particular service that your business friend offer. That is also what you place at the other place, and then you're opening for your opening time. Now for this, like the example here, it's open for 24 hours. That's if you are a kind of business, you render services both online and offline, and you are open 24/7. You can put on always open. But if you have a particular time where your business, you tend to offer services to your customers, you can actually choose from open for selected hours. Like open for selected hours, you have like from Monday, you have a particular time. You can edit this to any time of your choice, like 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. or whatever time, depending on you. So that's what you do from Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, down to Sunday. It all depends on you. So that is for your business hours. So you can actually schedule that for your business hours. And also, if you have a website, you can actually put your email address, like your webmail. You put it there. Or if you don't have a webmail, you have just like a business email. You can just put like whatever the email is. So that's for that. And your website, that you can put that there also. So you can actually put that there also. So that's for your business profile. So a business profile entails everything that you want your customers to know about your business. So that's for that. So we'll now go to the next one, which is the catalog. Now, the catalog is where you tend to show the customers the products that you have, the services that you have. And if the service, for example, you have a product, you have an online shop, you can actually get the picture and put it on your catalog. Then you link it down to your online shop. For example, I sell, like, let's say I sell something, anything at all. I just put a picture here. Then I go down to my pictures. Let's say I put a picture here of something that I sell, and then I put a picture of something that I sell here. Then let's say, okay, let me take a picture from my phone. Okay. Let me take a picture from my phone. The phone is kind of acting up, but okay, let me say I'm taking this picture from my phone, and then I'm putting it there. Then I just write the name of the item there, and after writing the name of the item, then I'm going to put the price. Now the price is dependent on your country currency. So whatever the currency your country is, that is what's going to be the price there. Now you can click on the more feeds here. You write the description of the product you just uploaded, the picture of the products you just uploaded, and you put it there, and the link that links to your online shop. So if you have an online shop, you can put a link that when they click the picture, it takes them to your online shop. So it's also a way for easy optimization of your website, you know what I'm saying? So people can actually go there to see what you have. And if you have an item code, you can also put it there on the item code there. So it's a very, very good way, for especially for those people that tend to do, they have an online shop and they use a WhatsApp business for customer service, for customer service. For customer service. So when they tend to chat with you, for example, I like this particular product, and you show them the product, and they can just click and go straight to your online shop, make payments and stuff. So it's a very, very great tool. So we are going to the next one, which is the away message. Now, the away message is, for example, someone come to your WhatsApp platform and you are not there to chat at that particular time. You just want to send them a message like, thank you for your message, we are not unavailable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. So if you want to do that, you just turn this on, like send away message. And now WhatsApp Business has a default for this particular message. Like the default is, thank you for your message, we are unavailable right now, but we'll respond as soon as possible. So if you have a particular message, a customized message you want to put there, and as regards your away message, you can also put that there. Now, after you must have done that, you want to ask a question. Do you want to send this scheduled message to everyone that just come up on WhatsApp? Let's say when they come on WhatsApp, you just send the message before you reply or stuff. So if you don't want that, you can just schedule, like always send, or custom schedule. Like, when do you want to send the message? You want to send like when you at the close time, like 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. to a particular time. You can put it there. You can put a time that you want, the start time that you want to send the message to, or the end time. And if you want to send it at all time, you can just go there to the schedule and you see all the send. Or if you want to send outside your business hours, there's also a placement for that. Now, the recipients. Now, do you want to send to everyone, or you want to send to a particular set of people? You want to send to people that everyone not in your address book, or everyone except a particular set of people? This is where you have to configure that and make it more professional. There are some people that might be on the contact group. You don't want to send a message, or you want to send it to a particular people that are not on your contact list, or that are not in your address book. You can do that. Or you want to send only to, say, this particular set of people, then you can also do that. That's for the recipient for a away message. Okay, now after you must have done that, after you must have done all of your editing on a web message, you then click on save. Okay, now we'll go to your greeting message. Now the greeting message is the message. This is like the message that tends to welcome, like the message that used to welcome your audience when they visit your platform. Like what I have here, I said, thank you for contacting like your own company. It comes with the default, like the name of your company, like thanks for contacting O3 Technology Services. Please let us know how we can help you. Some people might write, thank you for contacting ABC company, and let us know how we can help you. You can actually check some of our services. We offer this and this and this, you understand, on the greeting message. So the greeting message, which is kind of a polite, professional, it depending on your time of audience. So whatever the kind of audience that you are, you have to know the kind of audience, the kind of business that you do, and the kind of audience that tends to patronize that kind of business, to know the kind of welcome message that you should give to them. And also the same way as the away message, you can send to everyone, you can send to the recipient, you can send to a particular set of people not in your address book, or send to only this particular set of people also on the recipient, just the same way for the away message. When you're done, always remember to click on save. Save means that everything that you might do have done, it's all what's saved. Now we are going into the quick replies. Now the quick replies these quick replies are for our messages that you are just going to query, like you say, for example, someone is asking the price. Now, for example, someone is asking price, you can just create a message for price, and the shortcut should be just it comes with a slash like price. Now when someone asks price, so when there's a word like price, it's just going to bring that message. So you can write as many message in that particular stuff. So for example, someone is asking where it's your office. So when you hear the word address, what's the address of your office? So you can query the word address like a shortcut, and it takes the message straight out. You understand what I'm saying? So this is like a short form, an easy way to arrange replies, especially when you have a lot of customers coming on your WhatsApp business. You have to place this shortcut so that it makes it easier for people to get your message. So you might be chatting with like 1,000 people at a time. So you have to do it. You have to create this kind of short messages to make it easier. So for example, we're going to write price here, and then we'll write a message like price. The price is available on our online shop. The price is this and stuff. So that is for the quick reply. It makes your chat very easy, especially when you have a large audience when that you are chatting with at a particular time. So after your quick replies, we have the next one, which is your label. Now the label, this is a very, very important tool. Like I've created some label like here. It's an important tool that you use in differentiating every of your customers. There are customers that come for the first time. You want to say, okay, now these are new clients, these are returning clients, and these are prospects, or these are sold items. So any of the clients that have done business with you, you can actually arrange these labels depending on what you do. You understand? Incoming, outgoing, like that. So you arrange your clients so that when you are chatting with them, you can put them all in this particular label, and at the end of the day, it makes your whole job more professional. Like for example, you want to discuss with new clients, you need people that are your new clients. You just go to the label and click on new clients, and then you are going to see every of your new clients. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you have a returning client, you can also put them in a returning client. So when you're looking for your returning clients, you just click on the label returning clients, and you are definitely going to see them. If you need pros, you want to see people in your prospect, you see every one of them, and you just click on it. So that is for label. The label is one very, very important feature of WhatsApp business that most business owners don't use. And so it's advisable if you have people, for example, you discuss on a business and someone has already closed the deal with you on WhatsApp, you should have placed those people like, okay, these are closed deals, like open deals, upcoming deals. Now to reply, you understand what I'm saying? So you should have like different labels for different sets of clients. So now that's for that. And this for the short link, this is when you want to invite someone with your WhatsApp link, or you want to use the QR code to invite them. So you can actually use one of these. You understand? You can send them the short link, or you can use the QR code to invite them for a chat. So these are some of the features that are available on the WhatsApp. Now, there's another feature that most people don't still use. Like now, for example, you are in a group chat, and you see a lot of messages in the group. You see a lot of information that they tend to post lots of information about a group, and you don't really know how best you can bookmark or get those messages back, because the groups, different people tend to post messages on the group at a particular time. So for you to bring back those messages that they paste on the group after a very long period of time, there are messages that might have stayed, they placed on the group like 2 or 3 years back. You want to bring them back. So what you have to do is that you open the group, and then now, for example, this group, I'm going to open this group now, and I want to get this particular information. I want to put this particular information sometime I want to get this information sometime next year, or I want to keep this information because it's very, very important to me. What I have to do is just for me to click here, and then I'll just come here and click on start. Now, when you start your info, you install this message, it's going to go into the start messages. So whenever I need these messages that I have actually started that are very, very important to me from groups, you understand. So what I have to do is just for me to come to my menu here and click on start messages, and then I get to see those messages which I have started from groups, whatever the platform, but on the WhatsApp business, I tend to see every one of them here. Now, this is very, very good, especially when you want to keep track of good information that you might need in the nearest future. You just click on the start messages, and it will do just that for you. Now, after you must have done that, there's another feature on WhatsApp Business that's so wonderful. For example, you are browsing on your phone, you're on your laptop, using a laptop, and your phone is somewhere, and you just want to put a WhatsApp on your phone, on your laptop. That is a very, very, most times people tend to ask, how do you do that? How do you put your WhatsApp on your PC, and then you get to use the WhatsApp on your PC? It's a very simple thing. What you have to do is you click on the WhatsApp web, then when you click on the WhatsApp web, then you click on the plug. So it's going to come with a QR code. Now, while on the PC, it's going to bring a barcode on the PC, but before you're going to see it on the PC, you have to get connected online, and then you click on web.whatsapp.com. Now, when you click on whatsapp.com, web.whatsapp.com, it's going to bring your barcode, and you just scan through your WhatsApp, then you scan it there, and then your WhatsApp is up on your PC. So you don't need a third-party app. It's just your PC on your browser. You can go to your Google Chrome and type web.whatsapp.com, and then you just scan the barcode on your phone, and that is it. Then you are up on your PC and you start using it. I want to say a big thank you for watching my WhatsApp business tutorial. You can also check more videos on my different platforms on how best you can actually use all the free tools to manage your business. I have a video on Google My Business, how best you can take your business online free of charge, and how you can use Google My Business, and all the information when people are checking for your business, they tend to sell your business online on Google. So thank you for joining me, and I want to say a big thank you to you.